What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today we're out here at Tampa MX for the pit bike race, and big shout out to Mini Moto Cartel for putting this on. So I don't think they're done with the track. It's 4 o'clock right now. Here's a step up. As you can see, I think you're gonna be going around that corner, hitting this step up, which is probably like 10 foot, I think. 10-foot step up. Then walking down, we got this sick roller section right here. So here's one roller, and then you double in basically, and you're probably gonna be doubling out, or you're gonna manual them. So right here you would double out, and then there's a double in. So it's pretty good looking. The track looks amazing. Last time it was sick when we rode it. I had a great time. Then you're gonna be going around this corner. You're gonna have 2 tabletops right here, which you're gonna be hitting. So hitting these 2 tabletops over here. Then there's a wall berm. Then you're gonna come around to this tabletop, which leads to another big berm, which looks so fun to ride. So practice is at, I think, 6 o'clock. So we're gonna get the bike ready. Just put 2 tires on, so it's gonna be fresh out here. You're gonna have a good grip on the track, and yeah, it's gonna be a fun day. Then you hit these 2 rollers. You got the one right there, one right there. You got a berm right there. But other than that, the track looks sick. We got one other feature to check out. So after hitting that table, you're gonna come around here, hit the berm, come around this corner. Then when I walk around this corner, you're gonna be seeing a big, I think it's like a table set. I don't know if I'll be able to make it so you would rail this, but this is pretty big. As you can see, you got this takeoff right here. Probably like 13-foot takeoff coming up here. Probably like a 25-foot, yeah, 25-foot, probably 30 tabletop we got right here. Looks pretty sick. Then you got a big wall berm right there, tabletop right there, and then whatever else they're building. So see you guys in a little bit, and we'll be back. 14 and under out here at Tampa. Fun time on that track. This is the best. Pit bike was running a little off because we had to change something in there. It kept shutting off and stuff, so pit bike was running kind of good out there. And that's it for tonight. We're gonna get some clips of those people out there right now. So let's go get some hole shot clips at the moment. And that's gonna be it for tonight. Show you the reward I got from the first moto win of the day. So see that, top of that right now. Let's go video some people right now, see what we can get. Let's go. Purple truck over here. Had a great time out here at Tampa. Ended up getting first place in 14 under, and just an amazing event. Thank you to Minimoto for putting it on, and that is gonna be it for today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe. See you next time. Peace.